Hi there, students. Multi-agency. Multi-agency. Okay, this is an adjective. I think either one word or two words. I think I'd probably prefer it together as one word. Okay, this means involving multiple agencies. But the question is, what do we mean by agencies? Okay, so for example, if you ring the emergency services, the emergency services will coordinate a multi-agency response. Okay, the agencies are the government departments or sections. So, for example, health, education. When you ring the emergency services, the most common multi-agency response would be perhaps the fire service and the ambulance service. Okay, these are the fire department and the health department. These are two different government agencies. Perhaps the police as well. So normally when you make an emergency call, there will be a multi-agency response to your call. That people from various different parts of government will come, okay, from various different agencies, and this is the idea. So multi-agency involved or involving two or more agencies, normally government agencies. Let's see, you could have a multi-agency network or a multi-agency task force to deal with a problem. Okay, it's a combination of different competent authorities. I think an agency is a department or an authority that has the responsibility for dealing with one particular area. So, for example, education, that would be an agency. I think environmental protection, that would be an agency. Nuclear waste, that would be an agency. Energy generation, this would be an agency. So nowadays in the world that we live in, things are normally too complicated for one sole agency. So multi-agency working, yeah, this is coordinating services for different things. For example, caring for children. It's a multi-agency thing. There would be perhaps the social workers, there would be the education, there would be perhaps health. Okay, so a multi-agency is the way that we deal with things nowadays. I'm thinking if you sell your house and you use an estate agent, well, either you can have a single agent where the commission is reduced, or a multi-agency deal where multiple estate agents can use it. But multi-agency working, it's partnership across different areas. So that local public services, there are many different areas, and normally these need to be joined up with multi-agency working. So it's joined up to deliver a service, because nowadays things are so complicated that just one single agency is not normally enough, and you need a multi-agency approach. Okay, formality. Sick 6.5 informality, using a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And this is a word for business or politics, I think particularly for business. And the origin, well, multi-agency, multiple agencies. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Multi-agency.